Freedom, what do you do when you see a pretty bird? What do you do when you see a pretty bird? Can you do your whistle? Freedom, can you do your pretty whistle? You just did it a minute ago. You can do it. Freedom, what do you do when you see a pretty bird? Your turn. Can you do your whistle? Freedom, what do you do when you see a pretty bird? Can you do your whistle? Come on, you can do it. Come on, Freedom. Can you do your pretty whistle? Okay, so I'm trying to get Freedom to do the whistle. We're listening to songbirds. Oh, it's okay. He just did it on his own a minute ago. Freedom, can you do your whistle? What do you do when you see a pretty bird? Oh my goodness. Freedom's making air noise and he's not. Look at his pretty feathers. It's okay. Hi, Freedom. Can you do your pretty whistle? What do you do when you see a pretty bird? See, he's snapping his head. Freedom's down here by the, the yard. Here we go. We're downstairs. I'm working on taxes today. And if he sees a hawk, or there's bald eagles over here at the Sea Pines Forest Preserve across the street. They're not even close, but when they fly around, he can look right out the window and see them. We also had oh, okay. Well, I saw a vulture the other day eating a dead raccoon over a period of 2 days. But I didn't stop and film it. All right, Freedom. I guess we're not whistling. Can you do a whistle? You hear the pretty birds? So this is me whistling every time. Freedom, can you do a whistle? What do you do when you see a pretty bird? Okay, he's not doing it on command. Have a great day.